Are you getting overwhelmed by maintaining your day-to-day activities? Like me, do you need somebody or something to keep track of your routine? Well, if you do, you're at the right video. Hey guys, it's me Zena and welcome back to my channel Zoom with Zena. Well, I agree guys, it's been a while, but I'm back with another video and this time it's going to be as interesting as my previous one. So I've just realized that in this COVID-19 time, many people at home have been getting into these new activities and discovering new talents and things like that. And whereas me, I've just been so overloaded with my work and I have no idea, like I'm not getting into any kind of new talent. But recently on YouTube, I've been discovering a few things and I decided to indulge myself in the world of bullet journaling. So I've been watching a couple of YouTubers do bullet journaling videos, in particular Amanda Rachley. She's been my biggest inspiration for the past few days. She is an amazing artist and she makes beautiful videos on bullet journaling, productivity routines and things like that. So go check her out. I'll put a link of her channel in the description box below. So she has definitely been one of my biggest inspiration, and because of her, I've decided to start my bullet journaling journey. Well, it's just been a week since I've started it, and trust me, I've been loving this process. It's been an amazing journey for me, and more research has just showed me that bullet journaling is a perfect way to be more productive and to be more successful in my life. And here are some of the best benefits of bullet journaling. So guys, number 1, time management. Well, most of the times we just have this assumption in our head that we're so busy, we have so many tasks in the day, whereas in total our productivity time may just be 1 or 2 hours, and we just keep assuming that, oh my god, we're so busy. So bullet journaling, first of all, helps you strategically plan your day out. So when you have tasks to do, you basically write them down, and this basically just tells you that you need to do this, you need to cover this in a day, and this just helps you save so much time and also helps you to Second benefit, bullet journaling helps you not miss out on anything. Well, I would realize before that I would have many tasks to do and then I would finish them, but by the end of the day I would realize, oh no, I missed this, I missed that, and things like that. So bullet journaling helps you write down everything, and this basically just helps you avoid missing out on anything, and at the end of the day you know that I've completed all my tasks, and well, it just gives you this sense of satisfaction and this feeling of productivity. And third, it maximizes your creativity. Well, this is my most favorite part about bullet journaling. Well, surprisingly, I'm actually not an art fan. I do calligraphy, but then things like coloring and drawing I'm really not into. But then when I've started doing bullet journaling, I feel like these things help me calm down so much. Alright guys, now let's talk about my bullet journaling story. Well, finding a perfect bullet journal to start with was very difficult for me, because at first I thought of getting a ready-made one from a store, the one that already has it printed and you just need to fill it up. But at the end of the day, I just felt like this will not help in my creativity, and that's why I thought of getting a plain one, and I will do my own kind of creativity. I will fill it up however I want. So next came the problem of size. Now I suggest that bullet journals they shouldn't be too big, they shouldn't be too small, they should just be the perfect size, because once you get obsessed with bullet journaling, you might feel like taking it everywhere you want. So bullet journaling should just be the right size. And after a lot of research, after going to a lot of stores, I finally found the perfect one, and that is this one. Well, this bullet journal I got from the store Heyy, not sponsored by the way. This is the perfect bullet journal for me. The thickness of it is also great. To make it look more aesthetic, I just added a matching paper clip with it, and it looks very nice. It also comes with 3 leather or ribbon bookmarks to make it look very nice, and it's basically this really pretty black and white pattern, and it has this rose gold lettering which says bullet journaling. But wait guys, the story does not end here. Let me show you how I turned my plain bullet journal into an extremely creative one. So let's have a quick montage, shall we? Alright guys, so starting off with, first of all, I have a kind of cover page which says my name, because as I earlier mentioned, I might start carrying this everywhere I go, and in case if it does get lost, at least the person knows who to give it back to. So I wrote my name here, and starting off with, since I just started it this month, it starts off with May. So this design is inspired by Amanda Rachley. It is the May theme, and I wrote a beautiful quote which says, "May the flowers remind us why the rain is necessary." Moving on to the calendar. So this is a custom calendar that I made, and I added a few decorations as well. Moving on to, this is my habit tracker, the things I want to keep track of, and this is a kind of prayer tracker that I made. The next is my mood tracker. I kind of write what's going on and just helps me fill in the kind of mood that I'm feeling. And finally, this is my to-do list. So guys, hope you found this video interesting, because making it and filming it for me was quite interesting and I had a lot of fun. So if you guys like the video, go get your bullet journals and start bullet journaling. Well, have fun and take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, stay home, stay safe. Journey of bullet journaling, and well, guys, this would oh god.